Hello, my love community. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kartika Dubey, and today in this video, I'm going to be sharing my experience of eating only fruits and nuts for around 15 days. I was born in a vegetarian family, so I was vegetarian in my early years. Around 6 years before, I turned into a vegan, and that was because of compassion for animals. I didn't want to cause any suffering and I didn't want to kill, so I decided to become a vegan. 2 years before, I did a juice fast for 60 days. It was life transforming for me. I became creative, healthier, and happier. My juice fast experience is here. After doing the juice fast, I was eating only raw vegan food, including greens and nuts, for around 8 months. I was also including a lot of spices. And then I got into my cravings. So I started introducing some cooked food, and this is when I realized again the power of raw food and how is it keeping my body healthy and clean, and it's really good for my mental health. This is one reason why I love raw vegan food. I'm experimenting with eating only fruits to see how it works my body and to give from my first experience what my body needs. Who inspired me to eat only fruits and nuts? Number one is Annette Larkins. She has been raw vegan since 1985. She's radiant and healthy at the age of 79. Beautiful skin, looks very young, and has youthful energy. John Rose, he's been raw vegan for around 30 years. He's 67 years old and has a ripped body and health coaches people to heal diseases with raw food. Eli Mata, he's a stuntman performing calisthenics with an amazing healthy muscular body. He has done over 40 days of water fast and he's been fruitarian for around 5 years now. And one of the major influences is my friend Eustace. He's the health coach in my community. He's been raw vegan for around 4 years. It's just so amazing to have somebody in person to help you and support you in the process, because it's such a drastic change in the lifestyle, and if there's somebody living who's doing it for years, reaping the benefits and can guide you into it, it's the best to have. What and how do I eat? I start my day by eating nothing till around 1 p.m. So it's because I'm doing intermittent fasting for around 16 hours for around 1.5 years already. When our digestive processes are not working, all the energy that is left can be used for healing and repairing the body. As I start eating at around 1 o'clock, I start with a light fruit, for example, watermelon or papaya, and then I consume heavier fruits. I usually take 3 fruit meals, and the second meal would be a little bit heavier, so it could be bananas, chikus, custard apple. I love fruits. And similarly, I take a heavier fruit like jackfruit in my last meal. Sometimes in my last meal, I eat nuts like coconut, walnut, peanuts. To not crave cooked food too much, I eat nuts. But what I'm focusing on is predominantly eating fruits. Now, why am I doing it? I gave a few examples before, but I would tell you my personal story as well. In the past, I felt that using food as medicine combined with water and juice fast has helped my body immensely. I've healed infections, different skin problems, inflammation through raw food. And I also felt that Western medicine was just there to manage the disease and not completely heal it. For maintaining a healthy body, we have to have a lifestyle, we have to put in good food in our system, and that's how we can be healthy. Fruits detoxify the body, they are very gentle on our system, they provide ton loads of nutrition and water for healing the body. A clean body is much more aware and capable of higher energies like love, joy, and peace. So one of my motivations is also to assist the evolution of human consciousness, and I think in a clean body the job becomes much more easier. So coming to the part where I share my experience of 15 days of only eating fruits. I really wish to keep eating only raw living foods for all my life. My body feels much more flexible and feels very hydrated. My skin is clearer. Sometimes, because of the detoxification process, I get a little bit of spots, but overall, my skin texture is much more supple and clear. I really love the benefits that it gives to my skin. Now, coming to something that might seem a little bit icky for people and difficult for people to hear, but my bowel movements are so much more softer and easier. Raw food is so easy on the body, especially the fruits. But I got constipated on day 11th of my fast, and I think it was because I had a lot of coconut the previous night. Or it could also be because something in the colon, which was there from a long time, got rehydrated and then it was not able to come out. Sorry for so many details, but I think it's useful. The most important reason why I changed my diet is to keep my mind really centered and clear. I do almost everything in my life to feel loved, loving, peaceful, satisfied, and calm. And raw food really allow my body to be in balance, and hence my mind is also
Kartika.
in balance when I'm eating raw food. It almost feels like I'm high all the time. It's the same feeling that I got on the juice fast as well. Oh, also, one day I had a few chickpeas, like just very little, maybe 10-15 maximum. And in half an hour, I could feel that my mind was less sharper and a little bit wavery as well. So that was a good lesson for me to keep continuing with my fruit diet. It can actually be said as something like what you experience in meditation. You can't explain it, but it's a great experience. And so I would highly suggest everyone to give it a try, learn more about it. I feel there's so much connection in the different parts of my body, and the organs are communicating so well. It's because of the hydration, and you can feel it that the body is functioning overall so much better. When there's liquid in the body, then there's so much more communication that goes on. There's more electricity, as you can say. And so I feel very stable and centered and balanced in my body as well as in my mind. My body feels much more flexible, lighter, there's so much more energy. You can say that life is just much more amazing with simple fruits, and it becomes so simple as well because you just have to grab a fruit and eat it. So it saves so much time and energy. Now, coming to the question, should you do it? If you're a healthy person, you can start eating fruits now. If you're looking for a smoother transition, like you're eating a lot of meat, you can go slowly. First with veganism, try veganism with cooked food, introduce a lot of raw living fruits and veggies, and then maybe try a juice fast or a fruit diet. We need to eat bigger portions to maintain the calorie intake that we need in the day. But don't worry, raw food will never make you put on weight, and you can eat as much as you can. It will just put you in the state of balance with your body. Your body is your temple, so you're the best judge. Do it with wisdom, knowledge, and feeling if you want to heal your body with raw fruits. If you're taking some medication, it's best to have an experienced person or a holistic healer to assist you to get off the medication and heal yourself with food. If you like my videos, do like and subscribe. It will allow my video to reach more people. So share my videos, subscribe if you haven't, and sending you lots and lots of love and beautiful energy. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.